Today we are going to discuss about ABPSC Group 2 model paper of mental ability. So let's start with the first question. The ratio between speeds of two trains is 7:8. If the second train runs 400 kilometers in 4 hours, then the speed of first train is. First, the ratio R1 is to R2 is equal to 7:8. So here they have given second train yokka distance and time icharu. So we have to equal it to it. 8x is equal to 400 by 4. It will be 100. So x is equal to 100 by 8. Just nothing but 2 4s, 2 50s, 2 2s and 2 25s. So మనం ఫస్ట్ టైం యొక్క స్పీడ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఈస్ 7x. 7x is equal to 7 into 25 by 2, which is 7 into 12.5. So the answer is 87.5. So our answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. A sum of money is sufficient to pay A's wages for 21 days and B's wages for 28 days. The same money is sufficient to pay the wages for both for. సో ఫస్ట్ మనం 1 డేలో ఏకి ఎంత వేజెస్ పే చేస్తారో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి అండ్ 1 డేలో బీకి ఎన్ని వేజెస్ పే చేస్తారో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. దెన్ వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్ ద టోటల్ అమౌంట్. సో 1 డేలో ఏకి పేమెంట్ వచ్చేసి ఇట్ విల్ బి 1/21. బీకి వచ్చేసి ఇట్ ఈస్ 1/28. సో హియర్ ద సేమ్ మనీ ఈజ్ సఫిషియంట్ టు పే ద వేజెస్ ఫర్ బోత్ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి వీ హ్యావ్ టు యాడ్ బోత్. 1/21 plus 1/28. 21 and 28 will be like 1/12. Last ki we'll get 1/12 వస్తుంది. మనం ఇద్దరికి కలిపి వేజెస్ పే చేస్తే 12 డేస్లో we can pay. So the answer is 12 days, option A. Next question. The difference between simple interest and compound interest on a certain sum of money at 5% per annum for 2 years is ₹15. Find the sum. So ఇలా డిఫరెన్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు వీ హ్యావ్ వన్ షార్ట్ కట్. సో ద షార్ట్ కట్ ఈస్ 100 by r into 100 by r into difference. This is for 2 yearsకి ఇస్తే this is the short cut. So we have to submit 100 by, here rate of interest is 5%, then 100 by 5 and the difference is 15. So you can cancel it. 5 3s, 5 20s. So 23 60, 16 into 100 is 6,000. So the answer is 6,000. Option A is the answer. Next question. The enhanced salary of a man becomes ₹24,000 after 20% increment. His previous salary was. So here 20% అన్నాడు కాబట్టి 120% of x is equal to 24,000. So here we can cancel it. 2 6, 2 5s, 6 4s, 24. So the answer is 20,000. So the option A is the answer. Next question. A, B and C are batsmen. The ratio of runs scored by them in certain match are given below. A is to B is equal to 5:3, B is to C is equal to 4:5. In all they scored 564 runs. The number of runs scored by B is. So first A is to B is equal to 5:3. B is to C is equal to 4:5. We have to find out A is to B is to C. So 5 into 4 is 20. 4 into 3 is 12. Then 3 into 5 is 15. So here అన్ని స్కోర్ కలిపితే he said 564 is the answer. So 20 plus 12 plus 15 is equal to 47. 47 is the total and the runs is 564. మనం B runs find out చేయాలి కాబట్టి we have to ratio చేయాలి. 12 by 47 into total is 564. So 47 will be 12 times. So the answer is 144. The runs scored by B is 144. So the answer is option D. Next question. The average monthly income of P and Q is ₹5050. The average monthly income of Q and this is R. Q and R is 6250, and the average monthly income of P and R is 5200, the monthly income of P. Average monthly income of P and Q is 5050. So P plus Q is equal to, which is double of 5050, which is 10100. Then we have Q plus R, so it would be 12,500. Then P plus R is 10400. So ఈ త్రీ ఈక్వేషన్ని యాడ్ చేస్తే విల్ గెట్ 2 into P plus Q plus R is equal to, we'll get like 33,000. So P plus Q plus R is equal to 33,000 అంటే we'll get 16,500. సో మనకి P వాల్యూ కావాలి, మంత్లీ ఇన్కమ్ ఆఫ్ P కావాలి. సో Q and R వాల్యూ we know here 12,500. So we have to submit it here. P is equal to 16,500 minus 12,500. So the value of P is 4,000. So the answer is 4,000, which is nothing but option B. Let's move to the next question. If the numerator of a fraction is increased by 150% and the denominator of the fraction is increased by 300%, the resultant fraction is 5 by 18. What is the original fraction? So numerator is increased by 150%. So x plus 150 by 100 x by, and the denominator is increased by 300%. Y by 300 by 100 into x is equal to 5 by 18. So here we'll get 250x by, this is y. We'll get 400y is equal to 5 by 18. By cancelling these, we get 5 times, 8 times, 5, 5, 2 4s, 2 9s. So 9x is equal to 4y. So x by y is equal to 4 by 9. So the answer is 4 by 9, option A. Let's move to the next question. How many numbers between 1000 and 5000 are exactly divisible by 225? 1000 and 5000 కి మధ్యలో నెంబర్స్ ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా 225తో డివిజిబుల్ అవుతాయంటే వీ హ్యావ్ టు డివైడ్ బోత్ నెంబర్స్ 1000ని 5000ని 225తో డివైడ్ చేసి ద రిమైనింగ్ అమౌంట్ ఎంత వచ్చిందో దాన్ని మనం డిఫరెన్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే దట్ విల్ బి ద ఆన్సర్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 1000 డివైడెడ్ బై 225. 1000 and 5000ని డివైడ్ చేసినప్పుడు వాట్ ఆర్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ వీఆర్ గెటింగ్, ఆ క్వశ్చన్స్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే విల్ గెట్ దిస్ నెంబర్. సో 1225 డివైడ్ చేసినప్పుడు విల్ గెట్ ద క్వశ్చంట్ 4. 1225 డివైడ్ చేసినప్పుడు విల్ గెట్ ద క్వశ్చంట్ 4. 5000ని 225తో డివైడ్ చేసినప్పుడు విల్ గెట్ ద క్వశ్చంట్ 22. So by subtracting these two, 22 minus 4 will get 18. So the answer is 18. Option B is the answer. Move to the next question. 4 figures icharu. So what's the relationship between hospital, doctor and nurse? I think set 2 will suit them more because this big circle is hospital and doctor and nurse are there in the hospital. So the answer is set 2. So the answer is option C, set 2. Next question. Which of the above figures represents the relationship among teacher, men and women? So here 4 figures are given. So the answer would be option D, 4, because teacher, men and women, there is no interrelationship whether teacher అయిన వాళ్ళు men అవ్వచ్చు, women అవ్వచ్చు, and teachersలో men and women కూడా ఉండొచ్చు కాబట్టి. So option 4, option D is the answer. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video.